Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, me.
How are you today?
I'm great, miss. How about you?
Great. Yeah, I'm well too. Really well then. All right. Today we're going to learn English, as you know, our favorite subject. But before that, let me start from showing you something. Do you see what I'm holding here? Can you guess what is this?
Yes.
What's
I
this,
think
Nanda?
for
Then?
the black one, this is a lipstick.
Uh-huh.
Is it
And
wrong?
how about this one?
Lipstick, miss.
Lipstick. So both of these are lipsticks. And then that's correct. Yeah. Both of these are lipsticks. Let me ask you a question. Which one of these two lipsticks is taller than the other?
The white one, miss.
The white one, miss.
The white one,
The
miss.
white one. So the white lipstick is taller than the black lipstick. Can you please repeat my sentence? The white lipstick is taller than the black lipstick. Come on,
The
repeat.
white
The
lipstick
white lipstick
is taller than the black lipstick.
Right. Well done. All right. Let me ask you another question. What's the antonym of tall?
Short.
Yeah, that's it. Short. So, which one is shorter between these two lipsticks? That's obvious.
Black.
The black one, right?
The black
So
one.
let's make another sentence then. The black lipstick is shorter than the white lipstick. Can you please repeat?
The black
lipstick
is shorter than the white lipstick.
Good job. So that's the material we're going to discuss today. We're going to learn about degrees of comparison. Let me share my screen. Oh, what's this? You know them? Okay.
Blackpink.
Yeah, Blackpink. Are they your sisters? Oh, no, of course not. Okay, let's see here. Degrees of comparison. So what is actually degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison is an English grammar used to compare characters or adjective. Yeah, we can say adjective or situation means adverb. All right. Can you please can you see the pictures here? There are 3 dinosaurs. The purple dinosaur is big. Oh, no. The blue dinosaur is tall. The green dinosaur is also tall, but it is taller than the blue one. And then the purple dinosaur is the tallest of all. Yeah. So this is what we call as degrees of comparison. We basically comparing different things according to their characters or situation. Another example is this one. The drum in the carnival beats more loudly than the last year's carnival. So this is how we compare two things when we are explaining about the difference or comparing situation. More loudly. Okay, this is the adverb. So there are three kinds of degrees of comparison. The first one is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. And the third one is superlative degree. For positive degree, it means that showing one thing is just the same as another. So for example, here I have, what? Wait, where's my pencil case? Ah, this one. For example, this one, I have two pencils. Both of them are just the same in height. Okay, so that's positive degree. There is no difference between the two objects you are trying to compare. The second one is comparative degree, means that comparing one thing is more or lesser than the other one. It could be like the lipstick I just showed you. The other one is the white one is taller than the black one, or lesser, the black one is shorter than the white one. And superlative degree means that showing that one thing is the most of all. Yeah, superlative, the most. All right, let's jump to the examples. For positive degree, my teacher is just as beautiful as Lisa Blackpink. Do you agree with this? Okay, so I'm not joking. So here in positive degree of in degrees of comparison, we use as here, as here, and here. And in the middle of the as, there is the adjective or the adverb. So you are basically comparing two same things. My teacher is just as beautiful as Lisa Blackpink. Means that the teacher is just as beautiful as Lisa Blackpink. So they're both beautiful. For the adverb, or when you are comparing situation, the example is like the movie ends as sadly as the other movie we watched yesterday. So it's just the same, but the difference is just here is adverb and here is adjective. The second one, comparative degree. My teacher is more beautiful than Lisa Blackpink. Oh my. We use more to say or to indicate that something is more, has more value than the other thing being compared. Another example is my teacher is shorter than Lisa Blackpink. Do you see difference here? This one is using more and this one is using an ER ending. Do you get the difference? Yes, Taskia, you just unmute your mic just now.
It's just they have the similar meaning, right, Miss? Just have the different words because the using more is the word beautiful is the longest than short. I think what is it?
The syllables.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
syllables.
that's correct. The syllables. So when we are using an adjective word with more than two syllables, with two or more syllables, we use more. Yeah. For example, like this word, beautiful. It's beautiful. There are three syllables here. So we use more. As for the adjective with only one syllable or less than two, we only have to add ER at the end of the adjective of the word. For example, here, the adjective short. We just need to add an ER at the ending to indicate that one object is lesser than the other. As for an example for situation, the movie ends more sadly. Sadly. There are 2 syllables here. Than the other movie we watched yesterday. And this one. Uh-oh. How could I move this one? He came earlier than the other day. Early. It's just 1 syllable. So we just need to add an ER ending at the end of the word. The third one, superlative degree. Look at the example here. Lisa is the most beautiful member in Blackpink. Yeah, I have explained to you that if we have the adjective or the adverb with 2 or more syllables, we use the most, right? The most. You need to add the before the word most. As for the word with only 1 syllable, we just need to add the plus the est ending at the end of the word. Rose is the tallest member in Blackpink, and that's a fact. Yeah. For adverb, the example is like this. Of all members of Blackpink, Lisa sings the most sweetly. The most sweetly. Sweetly, 2 syllables. And another example is Lisa sings the fastest rap. Fast, only 1 syllable. So you need just to add an est ending at the end of the word of all Blackpink members. Right. Blackpink says, let's practice. Are you ready to have a practice?
Yes, Miss.
Great.
Yes,
Let me
Miss.
stop sharing this one and let me share another one. Are you still with me, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay. Can you see my screen clearly?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. The first question, mathematics exam is as blah, blah, blah as English. Who can answer this one? Please raise your hand or just unmute your mic.
May I?
All right, go on, Aisha.
I think the answer is A, easy.
Mathematics exam is as easy as English, right? Yeah, you just need to spot the as here. It indicates that the answer is positive, means the word doesn't need any other endings like est, er, or more, or most, because it is positive degree. Right. How about number 2? Lion is as blah, blah, blah as leopard. Who wants to try to answer?
Is it B, Miss? Stronger?
B, stronger? Are you sure? Can you spot the clue here and here? What do you think? Yes, Nanda? The answer is?
B, Miss. B, Miss.
B.
Stronger.
All right, so we need to spot as here. So it indicates the positive degree in degrees of comparison. It is comparing to same thing. It has no difference in this context. So the answer is C, strong. Because if stronger, you don't need as here. Lion is stronger lion is stronger than leopard. But because this is because there is as here, so it indicates the positive degree. So the answer should be C. Thank you for trying. All right, let's go on to number 3. My younger brother is as blah, blah, blah as I am. Well, this is the same typical question as the previous numbers.
Can I answer it, Miss?
Of course. Come on, go on.
Is it B? Tall.
Yeah, my younger brother is as tall as I am. Right. You're getting better, everyone. All right. Your attitude is as blah, blah, blah as ice. Oh, it must be so cold. What do you, oh, I just answer it. It must be so cold. Yeah, the answer is cold. Okay. How about number 6? This one. It was a very happy day. It was blah, blah, blah day of my life. What do you think the answer is?
May I, Miss?
Yes, Aisha, just go on. Just directly answer it.
I think the answer is B.
The happiest. It was a very happy day. It was the happiest day of my life. Yeah, of course, because you can see here, you can spot the clue here of my life. So for the entire life of all his or her life, it indicates the expression of superlative degree. And the clue of superlative degree is using the here, and then the ending est. Right, good job, Aisha. Let's go on to the next
Thank you,
number.
Miss.
She's a very popular singer. She is blah, blah, blah in the country. What do you think? What do you think the answer is? Can you spot the clue? Can you guess the correct one?
Is it, is
Yeah.
it A, Miss? The most famous?
The most famous in the country. Yeah, that's it. Remember, famous, 2 syllables. So we have to use the most. All right. Let's try this type of question. Now I want you, 3 of you here, to take turn and finish number 11 up to number 16. So everybody will get 2 chances, or will get the chance to answer 2 questions. All right. Starts from Aisha. Are you ready, Aisha, to answer number 11 and 12?
Yes, Miss.
All right.
Sarah's hair is curlier.
Uh-huh. Finish the sentence.
Curlier than Bianca's.
Right. Sarah's hair is curlier than Bianca's, because you spot than here means that it's comparing 2 different things, and it is called comparative degree. Right. The second one, Aisha, please.
I was more embarrassed than Jenny about the task scores.
Good job. So more embarrassed, because embarrassed has how many syllables, Aisha? Please mention how many syllables are there in the word embarrassed.
3.
What are those?
Embarrassed.
Yeah, good job. Well done, Aisha. Good, good, good. Okay, the next one, Taskia, your turn. Answer number 13 and 14, please. Hello, Taskia, are you still with me? Oh, is she going to the toilet? Yeah, maybe she is. How about you, Nanda? Can you hear me, Nanda?
Yes, Miss. Number.
Right. Please, number 13 and 14. Hello, Nanda.
For number 13 is the spring garden was, wait.
Uh-huh. How is it, Nanda? Nanda, are you still with me?
Yes, Miss, but for number 13 is, it's difficult for me, Miss. Wait,
Oh,
Miss.
really? Let me help you then. Why
Miss,
did it
but
just
Miss,
keep silent?
Can you give me the clue, Miss, for number 13?
Okay. It's a comparative degree, of course. And the word
Oh.
lovely has more than one syllable. So how do you think you're gonna answer it?
More. No, I think it's more. It's comparative degrees, but more lovely than the first.
Yeah, more lovely. Good job. That's the answer. And please, the last one, number 14. Let's take this one as the last one.
Huzairin is a kind person, but he is more compassionate than isn't. Is it right, Miss? More
More what?
more compassionate. More
More
compassion.
compassionate.
Yes. Is it? Then isn't? Is it right?
Yeah, that's it. More compassionate than isn't. All right, everyone. Seems like you've already understand about our material for today. And I will send you these files, and I hope you to do the homework. For the rest of the questions that we haven't finished yet, I hope you can finish it at home, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Thank you for attending the class today. And good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank